Thanks a lot. Sorry for the time. Unfortunately, I was allocated at 6:30 in the night. So I guess that thanks a lot for you that you prefer to stay here with respect to drink outside. Anyway, I'll try to be short and right to the point. And I want to introduce you to, in my opinion, an interesting change of model that we are trying to get in the software-defined networking arena. As you will see in the title, the topic will be a little bit technical in some places, but I want to convince you that we can do much more than what we are doing in current SDN networks. So I will start with the assumption that some of you may not be completely familiar with SDN, so I will give a brief overview of what is SDN, what are the principles of SDN, what are the key ingredients, and then I will try to give you some ideas, and I will stop probably before entering into too many details on how we can evolve, which in my opinion is an interesting change of paradigm. And all of this will require some rethinking about why we are going to separate control and data plane in SDN. Of course, we still maintain this separation, but in a different manner, and I will try to convince you that is nice. First, let me start with a review of the basic notions of what is SDN and what is especially OpenFlow, that is my specific target. It's a little bit critical, personal, so just don't take it as a tutorial, but just take it as my position with respect to what is SDN. So, SDN was born with the idea that classical networking was not fine. The point was that in the past, or still today, we had routers that are actually implemented a set of monolithic functionalities. So basically here we have closed platforms. Imagine a Juniper or a Cisco router. And if we want to change something, we need to add and put a protocol there. And we are very good in designing distributed protocols. And in fact, this chart reports the number of protocols that we design in time. And basically, whenever we have a problem, we design a new protocol, yet another protocol. And this actually is the time with respect to the number of RFCs that were produced. As you see, we have every month basically something to change here. And the problem is that we cannot change. We need to buy some upgrade. We need to do some firmware upgrade for different platforms. And the second problem is that we don't have interoperability guaranteed, meaning that sometimes we need to learn, for instance, the Cisco iOS and program this protocol on Cisco, and then we need to learn how to program the same over a Juniper device, and this is completely different. So software-defined networking came to the rescue and said, why don't we try to change the model in which we deploy protocols in the networks, and we do the following. Let's try to avoid implementing protocols inside the switches. So let's make the switch very, very simple and very right to the target. That is, it has to forward packet fast, so it's a dumb device that